Hey guys, so Tony here. So you've been getting a lot of questions about, who's buying Shiba Inu? Why is it moving up so much? Is it really retail that's pumping this? And, it's a fairly simple question, right? If you look at the top holders of Shiba Inu, the top 10-20% holdings of Shiba Inu are Ethereum whales. And, what you essentially have here is a competition between Doggy and Shiba Inu, where Doggy is in the Bitcoin family and Shiba Inu is in the Ethereum family, right? So all these Ethereum whales are buying Shiba Inu because they want price to pump. They want Shiba Inu to replace Dogecoin in the top market cap, right? In the top 10 market cap, and they want to bring the liquidity from Dogecoin into Shiba Inu. So you have all these Ethereum whales constantly buying Shiba Inu to these new prices because they want it to move, because they want it to keep running to the upside. And what happens here is you have cycles of, whale purchases, and then you have retail like FOMO in because, hey, it's running, I got to start buying in. And then you kind of trade sideways, and then you have another cycle of these Ethereum whales buying some more Shiba Inu, and the cycle just continues and continues and continues. So, what you have here is basically Ethereum whales versus Dogecoin. And that's like the simplest way that I can put it, because you can just go on CoinMarketCap or go on the blockchain, and you can see that the top holders of Shiba Inu, the top 20%, there's 20% of Shiba Inu is held by the biggest Ethereum wallets. And it cannot be coincidence that these big ass wallets from Ethereum, these big ass whales, are pushing Shiba Inu to run hard to the upside so that they can essentially obviously make money, but to kind of kick Dogecoin out of the top market cap and have Shiba Inu replace it, which I think is the direction that's going to be taking place. I think that's what's going to happen because, in Dogecoin, you really don't have any whales behind it, right? The biggest whales that you have is Robinhood and Elon Musk. Elon Musk, I doubt that he's going to be buying up a whole bunch more Doggy just to keep momentum on the price up, right? Like he'll every once in a while put up a post on Twitter that will make Doggy run a little bit, but for the most part, you haven't really seen Elon Musk's Twitter posts do anything for Dogecoin. If anything, they affect Shiba Inu way more. And even right now, like he'll post something and nothing happens to Dogecoin at all. And as far as like Shiba Inu, you have Ethereum whales with billions and billions and billions of dollars pumping into Shiba Inu to make the price run up. And that's what my theory is. My theory is that these Ethereum whales are purposely pumping Shiba Inu to a certain price target, where they want to have Shiba Inu replace Dogecoin in the top 10 market cap, possibly take all the liquidity from them and run it into Shiba Inu. So this goes back to the theory of, can Shiba Inu match Dogecoin's market cap at all-time high, which was around, I think, $90 billion market cap was the market cap of Dogecoin at like a 75 cent, 70 cent, coin. And I think that would be my first real take profit zone is if Shiba Inu ever actually hits the market cap that Doggy did at like 75 cents. That's my really first big signal to sell part of my position. And I think at that point, I would probably sell like 50% of my position if Shiba Inu ever gets to a market cap of, let's say, like 90 billion, which would be like a 9x from here. So that would be my very first thought. But again, really, like who's buying up all the Shiba to make price go up? It's the Ethereum whales. And this is proven as fact by going to the blockchain, looking at the top holders of Shiba Inu, and 20% of it is being held by the biggest Ethereum whales. And my theory is that they're basically running it up so that they can compete or they can replace Doggy in the top 5, say, of all, cryptocurrency market cap. And I think they have the money, and I think they have the power, the connections, whatever, to actually make that happen. Because this all seems too well connected for it to just be coincidence, right? So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.